What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is like my birthday haul. So yeah, so I have done some shopping. So this is the Nykka haul. I have received one birthday gift from them. We are going to talk about it. So it's going to be like my birthday haul. I have bought some stuff from Purple, Amazon, and Nykka, so and yeah, Myntra. So I'm going to do separate clothing haul, and this is the Nykka haul. So if you want to know what are the stuff I got for my birthday, keep on watching. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, haircare, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love affordable makeup, skincare, fashion. So if that's interesting, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I was I have never bought in my birthday month, yeah, from Nykka. Like, I'm not saying I don't do shopping, but I'm talking about Nykka. So this month I thought, let's just see what they give. Like, sometimes they give sheet mask, kajal, nothing great, and I was like, should I go for it? And yeah, so I was debating, should I place an order just to get some random free stuff. Then I saw the Faces Canada new launches, and I was like, okay, so we are going to talk about that also. So yeah, Faces Canada is a brand which I have not purchased anything maybe from 2-3 years. So yeah, it's not a brand which interests me, at least, and all of a sudden they have some launches. Basically a beauty blogger, I mean, I saw her using the Faces foundation, the tube one. She was telling it's like a BB cream, it's very lightweight and skin like, which are all the things which I love. So I thought, let's just pick that foundation, and I saw there are Faces Canada new launches. I don't even know they launch new makeup. I mean, yeah, so all in all, so it's a very small haul. I have these beautiful nail paint, look at that. So yeah, we are going to dive into it. It's a very small haul. So yeah, so let's just talk with that launch only. I'm going to take out one by one, and I'm going to talk. It's going to be a mini haul. It's not like a lot of stuff, but I have done a lot of shopping from different websites. So this is the newly launched Faces Canada blush. Isn't it reminding you of something? It's like exactly like the sugar one, packaging wise. And yeah, so this is the packaging, and so I have bring you guys closer so that I can properly swatch everything. So this is the shade. There are 3 shades. So, and this says berry blush, goji berry oil, and shea butter. So that's written here. And this was the shade honey something. I don't think so it's mentioned. And same 4-gram quantity, and look at it, it's just looking like a sugar blush, to be honest. And I was like excited, and I saw some people comparing it to sugar, and the shade is different. So this is the shade. So if you are wondering, it's a same shade, at least shade wise, it's not same to the Simon Superstar. And so this is the shade. I will tell you, I will mention here the shade name, and this is the pigmentation. So I think this shade will look good on in summers, I mean. And formula wise, it is very smooth to touch and less pigmented. It's kind of reminding me of my current obsession. This is the Mars cheek palette. It's very less pigmented. I love it, and this is the cheek palette I have every day. So this is the shade, very pretty honey shade. Yeah, that's what the name, and I think it's a very pretty shade, especially for summers. I think this is going to be the perfect nude. So I like that it's very less pigmented. That is how a blush should be. And this is the 3-time pigmentation. I have to build it 3 times, and in 1 time this is the swatch. So I think it's going to be interesting, and I'm going to compare this with the sugar one. My came completely shattered, so I'm hoping I will be able to repress it, because then I will do comparison. Okay, so now I want to repress it more. So that shade is also very pretty, and this shade is very pretty shade wise, and that shade is peach something, so peach pinnacle or something, and this one was honey or something. So I have to check. It does not mention the shade name. I don't know why brands do that. They should mention the shade. Yeah, I cannot see the shade name, so I will definitely tell you it was honey something, and it is looking like a beautiful nude. I would say that the shade wise, the formula wise, I liked it. But it's the same price point, 350 also, so 349 rupees also, the same price point, the same packaging, same quantity. So yeah, we will compare them in a video. So next is yeah, so I was basically on Nykka for this foundation, and this is their foundation. So this is a weightless matte finish foundation, and it says anti-aging property blah blah blah. I don't know how a foundation will give you anti-aging, and it's an 18 ml cutesy tube. It's very cute, and yeah, okay, so let me just swatch it. Okay, so this is the consistency. So this is the consistency, I think. Let me just the shade was natural, I thought. Let's just see, and it is looking quite a good match for my face. And yeah, it's a very so I don't know about matte finish, we have to see. Pigmentation is on the sheer side, as she was telling. It's like a BB cream, so it's looking promising to me. The shade wise, I think this will match my face pretty well. My hands are a little bit tan, but when I am comparing it to my face, it's looking like a good match. So thank God, because I already have two deep foundations. So this is a very sheer coverage foundation, which is, I love sheer coverage foundation. So yeah, pretty interesting. I was not into the brand that much, but yeah, now that I have it, I am looking forward to it. Next are these beautiful nail paints by Swiss Beauty. So Niharika was really praising them, and when I checked that out, these were flying. Everybody was buying them. So and then I thought it's something people are buying without any marketing. So yeah, so this shade 8 were left, and I think this shade was also 2 left or something. When I was checking them out, they were flying. So I was like, immediately, and there was a denim shade, and I thought, let's just check the formula, because nothing stays on my this hand. On this hand everything will stay, on my right hand nothing will stay. Okay, so if on my this hand it is staying, then it is very long wearing. First of all, the shades are stunner. Now I know why people are loving them. There was lemon shade, neon orange, and so cute. So many cute shades were there, and the denim shade I think I will pick. Like the pigmentation wise, this is the 2 coat, and I think it's quite good pigmented. So yeah, look at the shade, it's very pretty. So I must say I am. And look at the packaging also. It has this reflective packaging, and the packaging also has my heart. And the 2 shades I picked, I am glad, because it's a very pretty purple, and it's a very pretty bright blue, almost pastel. So these 2 shades are so stunning. These were 90 rupees when I bought it, not a heavy discount or something. But if they are, a really non-chip formula, then it's good. It has 10 ml, and the packaging looks stunner. I am so impressed, and yeah, looking forward to how these will stay on my nails. After that I will buy more shades maybe, because yeah, I'm always in a hunt to check out new nail paints. And then it's my birthday gift. What my birthday gift is this face wash. Oh my god, face wash birthday gift. Okay, I was not expecting anything expensive, but why face wash as a gift? They could have given maybe a LA teen lipstick. I don't know. So this is their cucumber and aloe vera hydrating face wash. So I think this would be good for the winter months, and it's 100 ml, and it retails for 139 rupees, and it's not expiring. It will expire in 24. So people always complain that Nykka sends expired things as gift or something. So what I can see, it's not expired, and it contains sulfate blah blah blah, glycerin also. So I am looking forward to try it. I don't know when I will try it. Face wash is not something I look up to experiment and try. So but it's a good thing. Right now I'm using the Derma Co salicylic acid face wash, and loving it, loving it. Go grab it. I'm going to do a Dermaco or maybe some in speed reviews. I will tell you about Dermaco. I am impressed. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's not like a very big haul. I have bought some, you know, a lot of things from different websites, so stay tuned for Purple haul, Amazon haul, and yeah, all that jazz. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.